Let's check this thing out. 1978 anniversary Corvette. Two-tone silver, white interior. It's got the mirrored T-tops. 350 under the hood. Pop the hood here and let's check it out. Power steering, power brakes, AC. It's got all the goodies, guys. We're gonna take it down the road real quick. See how it runs and drives. Okay, we'll go ahead and get out of here. It's pretty nice on the inside. Engine temperature's up, oil pressure's around 40. We got the heater on. Come on up here. Speedo works, tach works. There's a full 30-minute test drive on YouTube going over any kind of flaws, chips, scratches, rust, dents. This is just a brief recap. We dropped the price on this one to be more affordable. Turn signals popping up on the dash. Little bump in the road here. Pretty smooth. Kick down's hooked up. Now if you want to see that full test drive video, go to YouTube, type in Maple Motors Nick Southgate, and go to cars currently available. You can see all of our inventory, which I'm pulling back into the lot now. I do appreciate you watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.